Have you ever sat in silence so profound that even your thoughts seem to bow in reverence? Imagine sitting cross-legged on a cushion, eyes half open, your breath as calm as a sleeping mountain. Is this serenity the doorway to enlightenment, or just a rigorous mental drill cloaked in mysticism? In the world of Zen meditation, known as Zazen, isn't just a practice. It's a paradox, a tool that can both liberate and constrain. But what is its true purpose? Is it a sacred gateway to awakening, or merely a method to discipline the restless mind? Today, we're diving deep into this timeless question, one that has echoed through monasteries, challenged seekers, and shaped the path of Zen for centuries. Welcome to the unfolding journey, where we peel back the layers of philosophy, spirituality, and ancient wisdom to uncover what truly matters. If you're drawn to the quiet beauty of Eastern traditions and the search for meaning in modern life, you're in the right place. Let's unfold this journey together. To understand the role of meditation in Zen, we must first understand where Zen comes from. Zen Buddhism, derived from the Sanskrit word dhyana, which means meditation, traveled from India to China and eventually flourished in Japan. At the heart of Zen lies Zazen, sitting meditation. Zazen isn't just about closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. It's about complete immersion in the present moment. It's raw. It's stripped of mantras, visualizations, or affirmations. In many ways, Zazen is the practice of just sitting, with your breath, your body, your mind, and the world as it is. But this simplicity hides a deeper tension. Is Zazen meant to bring you to a spiritual awakening, or is it simply a tool to discipline the monkey mind? The spiritual dimension of Zen cannot be ignored. Practitioners often describe breakthrough moments during meditation, moments of non-duality, of losing the ego, of merging with the present. These are known as kensho or satori, glimpses of enlightenment. Masters like Dogen, the founder of Soto Zen in Japan, saw Zazen not just as a means to enlightenment, but as enlightenment itself. In his famous work Shobogenzo, Dogen writes, "Practice and realization are one and the same." For Dogen, the very act of sitting in Zazen is awakening. You don't wait for fireworks. You don't chase visions. You awaken by simply being present, completely and wholeheartedly. To Dogen and his spiritual descendants, Zazen is not a ladder to climb. It is the realization that there is no ladder at all. Yet, many Zen practitioners experience Zazen not as enlightenment, but as struggle. The legs ache. The mind wanders. The discipline can be fierce. Monks in training often sit for hours in silence, their posture corrected with a kaiosaka stick, a symbolic and sometimes literal reminder to stay awake. Here, meditation becomes a tool of mental discipline. It's about training the mind to return again and again to the present. It's a daily exercise in resilience, acceptance, and detachment. Rinzai Zen, another major school of Zen in Japan, emphasizes koans, paradoxical riddles used during meditation to shock the rational mind into awakening. These aren't warm and fuzzy practices. They're sharp, demanding, and uncompromising. They aren't designed to comfort, they're meant to confront. In this light, meditation isn't a spiritual escape. It's boot camp for the soul. So is there a contradiction here? Not quite. What seems like a divide between discipline and enlightenment is actually two sides of the same coin. Zen isn't about choosing one over the other. It's about realizing that discipline is itself the path to insight, that every moment of struggle is a moment of transformation. The mind that resists discipline is the same mind that clings to the idea of enlightenment. Both are constructs, and Zazen quietly invites us to let both go. Even outside of spiritual goals, meditation within Zen has profound psychological and emotional benefits. Modern neuroscience has shown that consistent meditation practice enhances focus and attention, reduces anxiety and depression, strengthens emotional regulation, increases gray matter density in areas of the brain linked to memory and compassion. In a way, this supports the idea of Zazen as discipline. It trains the brain just like exercise trains the body. But when we practice with full presence, it also gives us direct experience of impermanence, interconnection, and ego transcendence, the very insights that lie at the heart of enlightenment. Let's consider a few perspectives from iconic Zen masters. Shunryu Suzuki, author of Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind, the purpose of Zen is to drink tea and wash your bowl. Enlightenment, for him, wasn't a mystical goal. It was found in everyday awareness. Thich Nhat Hanh, meditation is not evasion, it is a serene encounter with reality. Again, meditation is less about escaping and more about engaging fully with what is. Hakuin Ekaku, a Rinzai master, stressed the tension between effort and grace. He saw intense practice as necessary to prepare the mind for breakthrough insights. These masters show that discipline and awakening aren't at odds. They're threads woven into the same fabric. Is meditation in Zen a path to enlightenment or a method of discipline? The answer is yes. It is both and neither. To the untrained mind, Zazen may appear barren or austere, but to the sincere practitioner, it is a mirror. It reflects everything we are, everything we fear, and everything we could become. Whether you're sitting to strengthen your awareness or to awaken to your true nature, you are engaging in the same sacred practice. The more you sit, the less the distinction matters. Eventually, you stop asking the question altogether, because in true Zen fashion, the question itself dissolves into silence. Whether you see Zazen as a spiritual practice or a mental discipline, one thing remains clear. It is a journey inward. One that strips away the unnecessary, confronts the habitual, and opens the door to something vast and unnameable. You don't need robes, monasteries, or exotic philosophies. All you need is a cushion, your breath, and the courage to face yourself, moment by moment. If this exploration sparked your curiosity or brought you a moment of stillness, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the unfolding journey. We explore spiritual traditions, ancient wisdom, and modern insights to guide you along your path. Click the bell icon so you never miss a video, and leave a comment below. What does meditation mean to you? Until next time, stay curious, stay grounded, and keep unfolding.